Namaste all. I am JP Dr. Chandrkala. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the biomes of the world. Major biomes. That is the first one is the tundra biome. Different vegetations are found in the different parts of the world, depending upon the area, vegetation, the climatic zone. The major biomes, like the first one is the tundra biome. Tundra biome it is which extends from the 50-degree north latitude far from the northern part of the Asia or the North European countries and North America, you can find this. It consists of the plain characterized by the snow, ice, or the frozen soil most of the day. So the permanent frozen soil of the tundra is what we call it permafrost. So when the winter is very long or the tundra which literally the daylight you can say very little daylight will is found there. Where the, in contrast in summer you can see the short but there is many of the daylight hours are there. Here the precipitation is very low and the you can see the rainfall which is per year is 25 centimeter around or the cold air is you can find the low or the holds the relatively very little moisture condition. So normally the grounds are soggy or in summer and just because the moisture cannot be soaked into the permanent frozen grounds and the ponds and lakes are abundant there with due to the nearly flat or the terrains are present. So there are trees are almost upright trees on the tundra region. You can find the draft willow is present. So mostly the in the polar bear which lives in the coastal area or the on the seas are present. Uh, the animal park. You can see ducks next waterfowl or the short birds are present, which is mainly distributed in this state. The northern conifer forest biomes, where the northern coniferous forest of the or the taiga forest biomes are present, that is around which ranges from 1300 kilometers to 1450 kilometers in the band south of the Sundar. So this normally extends from the eastern part to that of the west band cross, which is like 10 degree to 12 degree. The centigrade temperature may be found. The summer are very growing seasons or the longer than the tundra. The precipitation here we can see that tundra the which range from the 10 to 35 centimeter annually. So the moisture is the combination result of the summer rain and the winter snow. So the ponds, lakes are present here, blocks are present in abundance, and the duration of this may be around 150 days, and the physical conditions you can find here. So basically, these plants have the forest or the modern forest or the trees like trees, pine, cedar are present. So, in the distributed area, you see the deciduous trees are there, which has the willows are present. So, the floor of the forest or the vine, maples, or the spring for wildflowers are present, or the moisture are present along with that of the growing area. So the small animals, mammalians, herbivores, squirrels are present in this place. Okay. Next one is your temperate deciduous forest. Here the deciduous forests are found in the temperate region of the northern central Europe. So as you can see that the East Asia and the in the United Nations, the south of the taiga of the northern hemisphere, or such a forest which ranges from the hot summer or the cold winter, which is rich soils or the abundant rain are present. The annual rainfall is around 100 centimeters per year. That means this common deciduous trees like hardwoods are present, maples, uh, hickory, oak, or walnut trees are found in this temperate deciduous forest biome. So they are broadleaf trees mostly seen here, and the trees shed their leaves in a late or so the biomes has entirely different appearance in the winter than that of the summer. The fallen leaves provide support in a large variety of consumers or the decomposers of different populations, such as the millipedes are there, snails are present, fungi are present. So many organisms which fed on the biomass. Okay. So the common herbivores or the you can say the biomes or the deer, squirrels, rabbits are present in the the predators, birds are also found, such as the hawk or you can see the eaters are present. So these there are many changes in the throughout the year or the variety of changes take place in the habitat of the soil or the trees. Okay. So the tropical rainforest biomes, where we can say this tropical rain forest, these biomes are situated in the equatorial belt of the annual rainfall is more than like 140 centimeters. So the tropical rainforest is an important biome on the earth as a whole. You can see it is found in the Central America, Amazon basin, or some part of the South America, Central Africa, India, and the Southeast Asia. So here the rainfall, you can see the tropical rainforests have high rainfall and high temperature. So all throughout the year, the vegetation which is being grown here, the life has a diverse reaching or framing with different species of the plants towards the different sectors throughout the area. Okay. So the tallest tree, you can see the canopy, or you can see many of the plants having climbers, which reaches to the highest of the trees, reaching. Insects are being present, lizards, snakes, monkeys, colorful birds, anteaters. So about 70 to 80% of the insects are found in the tropical rainforest. So here, the plants which have the interaction, different interaction for the pollination and dispersal of the seeds, which is very much easier when there is a lot of living organisms are present in the biome. Chaparral biomes, these biomes is known as the Mediterranean scrub forest. Also, these are the marked under the limited winter frame, followed by the drought conditions or the temperate in the moderate under the influence of the cool or the moist area of the ocean. These biomes extend in the Pacific Ocean or the Northern America, Southern America, Australia, Asia. The biome has a broad leaves in the vegetation, and this biome is generally made up of fire resistant plants which has the and drought adapted animals are present here. So these plants normally are having a lot of resistance. Next one is your tropical savanna biome. This savanna biome was a warm climate or the characterized by the forest grasses and the scattered trees of the margin of the tropical rainforest. So here the seasonal rainfall takes place or in this savanna biome, and this the average rainfall is around 100 to 150 centimeters. So here the alternation of the dry and seasons are being seen, and mostly the plants are drought tolerant plants are found here. The animals such as zebra or rhinoceros, antelopes, kangaroo are found in this particular biome. The next biome is your grassland biome. So in the grassland biome, the earth, you can see some of the like temperate area of the earth or some other tropical regions. Grassland biomes are being occurred. So these are possess the deep, rich soil having a hot summer or cold winter or irregular rainfall has been seen here. So in a tall grasses are present or like short grasses, presence of many of the different kind of plants or like which has a limit like antelopes are present, horse are present, rabbits are present, squirrels are present over that particular area. So different kind of grassland predators are present over biome. In the desert biome, which is characterized by the 25 centimeter per rainfall per year, or which has the lowest rainfall, and at the same time it has like location in the Mexico, Chile, Peru, North Africa. In the Sahara Desert, we have Asia, we have Tibet, Gobi Thar, and central western part we have the Australian desert generally which have a hot day and cold night. So the reason for the different temperature in the day and night is due to the lack of evaporation in that particular place. Desert is being characterized by scanty flora and the fauna. The desert organism must have initial the requirements to survive. That is, the plants able to obtain or conserve the water, and the animals also have the adaptation in this. Those organisms which has a reduced their surface area or reduce the evaporation as the normal plant, they have reduced themselves for the evaporation and the loss of the water or for the long spell, the small ears or the leaf surface being stores a large amount of water. So these plants normally have the capacity to hold water. So normally cactus, pines, those organisms which have modified stems normally found here in the desert biome. The next session will be